In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Gaou, also called Akara in Nigeria, Kose in Ghana if I'm pronouncing it right, but this time the Togolese way. Here are the different ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Peeled beans, onions, red and green, peppers, some spring onions, and just one egg. So into the blender now, I'm going with the peeled beans that are already soaked overnight. If you're new here, you are very welcome. To my old subscribers, welcome back again and thanks for clicking on today's video. Now I'm going in with the rest of the ingredients, half onions, peppers, and also the spring onions. This is one Scotch bonnet to give the perfect heat I need for this akara, and one egg with a little bit of salt. Don't forget to add also a little bit of water and blend everything well. And this is exactly how it's supposed to look. And now it's time to heat up the oil. To heat up my oil, I always like adding chunky onions to add the extra flavor before even start frying my gaou. And feel free to do that as well. And you can see I already transfer everything into a bowl, and I'm going to add the remaining ingredients and mix everything well before start frying. This helps make the gaou super fluffy, so make sure you do it 5 to 10 minutes and we can start frying it now. Fry it 3 to 5 minutes on each side and make sure the oil is not way too hot. Make sure you are frying this on a medium low heat so it can fry properly on the inside as well. The gaou is ready as you can see, and I'm going to lay it rest on a kitchen towel. I'm going in now with the second batches, and the frying time is going to be the exact same, 3 to 5 minutes. Flip the other side and let that side fry properly as well. If you are enjoying the recipe, kindly give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. The second batches is ready, and you can pair this gaou with porridge. Have it as a breakfast, or if you are looking for something very light towards the end of the day, like 4 5 o'clock or even 6 o'clock, you can also have this. The last batch is going in now, and if today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe if you are enjoying the recipe, and make sure you activate the bell so you get notified the next time I upload a new video. Et voila, our gaou is perfectly done, and this is the porridge. We call it Cocozogbon in Togo. I'm just adding some sugar to sweeten it, and I'm going to, of course, enjoy this. Just mix it well and you are good to go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to show you the inside of the gaou. It was super crunchy, exactly how I like it. If you haven't already tried this recipe, please try it and let me know what you think. You can also have the gaou by itself without the porridge. And of course, this is the Togolese way to make this recipe. Let me know what you think, and thanks so much for watching today's video. Kindly drop me a comment right under this video about 1 or 2 things that you love about today's recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.